Welcome everybody. In this video, I will be reviewing a few stocks that were asked by our members in the InfoYer live session. Starting off with the first stock, that is Syngene. The first stock is Syngene. Syngene had a good breakout buy in mid of July, which had also come with amazing volume support. While post the breakout, this stock has lost both price strength and volume support, as pretty evident here. A look at a higher time periods shows that the stock going to higher time periods, stock has more space to cover while it will be moving slow on the upside. The stock is in buy levels currently, and it is good to only have a lesser exposure in this stock, and the stock is not an aggressive stock that will go up fast. So for those holding a position, it's good to tighten a stop loss so that if the stock changes direction, we are out with minimum loss or book profit if holding since a long time. The next stock is Star. Star has been a weak stock in the market for a long time, and before it turned down, Star had developed very good weakness during its Jan and April peaks, where I'm showing my crosshair right now, where it gave a signal to move out. Now, though the stock is a rank qualifier on earnings, without the price support, it is not good option to buy the stock. The stock is non-trending since mid of May, and this week it has had a huge fall with volume support, which means that the sellers are increasing. So as the result supports the stock, it's good to buy when price crosses above 818 with volume above 41 lakh shares. The buy is only valid when both price and volume gets cleared. The next stock is SAIL. SAIL is an SRR qualified stock, and it has been holding its price at the top after a good breakout it had last week. While still having room to move up, on a close above 144.25, which is pretty close as of now, SAIL will complete most of its bull run, after which we can look to have a maximum profit booking and stay light. Volume has been supporting the stock at the peak, which is also an indication that price can move up. For those wanting to buy SAIL, can take a small exposure at current levels and be focused to take exit at the peaks. This stock has a potential for some immediate small profit making opportunity. At the same time, need to be tight focused on the stop. In case there is some adverse move, we are protected. If you have been holding SAIL already, it is time to get ready for maximum profit booking after the stock closes above 144.25. Next stock is Amber. Amber qualified in top ranking, and after that it had a very good rally. Post its September 20 results, it had lost its supremacy on profit growth, and stock still continued to go up with expectation that results will improve, whereas the company could not keep pace and stock took a U-turn in March 20 and has moved into a range, as you can see now. Now the stock, since it is not making great profits, will not be a good choice to hold a position. Similarly, buying at current levels, one need to be cautious as they will be buying only with expectations, which if not met, price can slide. The next stock is Jindal Steel. Jindal Steel is one of the leaders in the metals pack, and it has had a very good rally in its price. After a peak in early May, where I am showing the crosshair, the metal sector went into a consolidation, and the whole of the metal stock in the index had the same pattern, almost similar pattern in Tata Steel, SAIL. All of them had the same pattern, and among them, some stocks have begun their next run now, while some are still stuck in the same range. Jindal is among the latter, and it has been losing volume on the consolidation, which is a sign that sellers are less and buyers are sitting in the sidelines waiting. While there is a good opportunity for the stock to cross 485 levels, one can think of buying if not owning the stock already. For those who are holding a position, can continue to hold and at the same time focus on the stops too. When a stock is lagging the index, it can create some mess as well. The next stock is Rajratan. Rajratan came into rank qualification in mid of July, and it was a late entrant into the ranking. While post qualification, the stock has made 50% gains. This week, it has given back most of the gains and has had a down close, which indicates that higher price is not getting accepted by the market, whereas price drop is also with low volume. This shows that those who are holding the stock are not willing to sell either. So once the supply gets exhausted, this stock is likely to go up again. If holding a position, need not worry, have your stops in place. If wanting to buy now, wait for the correction to complete and then take a position. Thank you.